Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Hey guys, so for today's challenge I kept it pretty simple for a Sunday task, and that is just to give your rubbish bins all throughout your house a really good clean out. I know that sometimes rubbish bins can get neglected. They might be given a quick once over or a really nice wipe on the outside, but when is the last time that you actually opened them up, took out the liners, vacuumed all the crumbs from the inside and gave them a really good deep clean and then a sanitize with an anti-bac spray? Take the time out to do this today. You will definitely not regret it. It's something that doesn't take long. I think I took about 8 minutes when I was cleaning out my bins. If you've got the space, definitely take it outside, do it in the sunshine, and then I just left mine out in the sun for a couple of hours, just to let them really air out before bringing them back in and putting the liners back in. One tip I do have, if you find that you have got some odorous rubbish bins, once you have lined your bins, and if you have any of those Downy Unstoppable or laundry scent booster beads, sprinkle a few of those in the bottom of the bin. It helps to keep any nasty rubbish bin odors at bay. The other tip I have is if you have the vanilla fridge cleaning spray that I showed in yesterday's video, that's also actually really nice to spray and clean out the inside of the bins with. And then when you open the bin, you've always got that nice vanilla scent rather than rubbish bin smell.
From the get-go to the final blow, yeah, you've got a different kind of heart. You were a merry-go-round, I was the fire that burned you to the ground. We live like we don't care. Different.
I'm going to share with you again a quick bin lining hack that I've learnt on TikTok. I saw it on some random scroll through on TikTok one day, and it actually works. And it is to put your bin liner in inside out, then put the bin liner inside the bin, and then push the bin liner in so that there is no bag hanging out of the edges. So that is a handy little trick that I learned from TikTok. Thank you very much. And this is just showing how I regularly maintain these bins. I mentioned in a video 10 things I wouldn't buy again. I wouldn't buy these particular bins again. They were kind of some pretty cheap bins that I picked up from Kmart, and they haven't really held up as well as I would have expected. Now, they weren't super expensive, but they weren't super cheap. I think they were $42 each, but the metal on them has just started to tarnish, so I wouldn't recommend these particular bins. But I would definitely recommend regular maintenance of your rubbish bins as part of your daily or weekly cleaning routine, and then once every now and then, just take the time to give them a really nice deep spring clean. So guys, that is it for today's challenge. Super simple and very quick. Give your bins a nice clean out. I'll leave a link in the description to all of the videos that I have filmed so far in this challenge. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying cleaning along with me. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.